Welcome to today's video tutorial on how to fix share location issues on your iPhone. We understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to share your location with friends or family, only to encounter unexpected problems. But worry not. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your location sharing feature back on track. Whether it's a minor glitch or a more complex issue, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in and get your iPhone sharing location seamlessly once again. Go to the settings from home screen. Here you will see different options. Scroll and click on screen time. Here you will see different options. Click on this option. From here enable this button. After that click on location services. Simply turn off the location services from here. It will simply solve your location problems on iPhone. And there you have it, folks. We hope this tutorial was helpful in resolving any location sharing issues you were facing on your iPhone. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or if there are other iPhone-related topics you'd like us to cover, please feel free to leave a comment below. Our community and experts are here to help you. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tech tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected and share your location with confidence. Goodbye.